What's happening, everyone? What's happening? What is happening? Let me make sure I got all my overlay stuff on here good here as well. All right, what's up, everyone? Hopefully, everyone can hear me. And if you can hear me, make sure you comment as well. And shout out to all my recent subscribers. And this is broadcasting on Facebook and YouTube. Now, before I begin, before I dive into what we're going to talk about, I need you guys to do me two favors. Two favors. Number one, tag someone who could use $725 tonight. Tag someone who could use $725 tonight. We're going to show you how to put that in place so they get that. And we want to show you, if you are a person that has a spouse or a couple, how you can do this tonight. And literally, we're going to be going over SoFi Bank and how to really maximize this opportunity. This is free money to do with whatever you want. And I literally want to show you guys how to claim it. So take a few minutes, I'll hold off, and make sure you invite anyone or tag anyone or share this video with anyone. Maybe you've done this and you've had success. Please share this video, because this video literally is going to help them pocket some money tonight. It's going to also help you pocket some money tonight. So I'm doing this so that everyone can pocket a direct deposit. What's going on? How you doing? Let me see, my overlays are not, make sure my overlays are all good here to go here. I'm gonna have to reload my overlays, but I'm not gonna worry about that for now. We're still good to go. So let me remove this overlay because it's not working here. So if you're watching this, number one, let me know where you're watching this from. We are live here, and the time is about 6:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're live. If you're watching this on replay, then hey, let me know who you are on replay. Oh, you can't hear me. Okay. All right, let me make sure it's not me. Can everyone hear me? Let me make sure my stuff is good. Hold on one second. Could be me. Let me just make sure I'm good to go. Can everyone hear me? Everyone should be able to hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Someone said they cannot hear me. They're going to come and come back. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Maurice McCall. Appreciate that. Just want to make sure everyone can hear me. So if you can hear me, great. Someone says they can't hear me. I want to make sure everyone can hear me. Also, from Memphis, Tennessee, appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you jumping on this thing. And if you're not aware of this, I am going to show you, if you are married, if you're a couple, I'm going to show you guys how to get a free $725. It doesn't cost you anything. And we're going to talk about the SoFi Bank opportunity. And so I've been kind of broadcasting this for the last couple of weeks, not just for myself, but I'm actually broadcasting this for people who have taken advantage of this. And I want to help you be able to give free money to everyone that you know. It doesn't come out of your pocket. It's a bank that has allocated millions of dollars to give away. And I want to make sure every person has an opportunity to get this money. Now, let me just kind of be short with this. I'm not going to go through a long presentation like I normally do. I'm going to condense this presentation, and let me just break this down. So what literally has been happening is, for the past 3 or 4 years, there's been a bank called SoFi Bank. They are running a promotional special. This promotional special will allow you to receive a direct deposit in your bank account in as little as 10 minutes. Now, what's so cool about this is that a lot of banks do this very often, and we're going to talk about this opportunity in detail. But what's cool about this is that the fact is that literally, as I go through the numbers, and I'm just looking at the numbers of everyone who came to my site, everyone who got help, 98.9% of people who follow this and have been successful have gotten money within 10 minutes to 2 hours. And there's some people who've come back to me and said, Melvin, I've shown my family that this thing is real, and they still don't believe me. So this literally is going to be a video talking about, number one, how couples can make $725 free money, nothing that you have to do, no money you have to spend. And we're going to talk about how individuals can make up to $100 tonight. So this is literally some free game I'm giving you. And everyone that has completed this process has literally shattered my comments and just exploded in my inboxes with how grateful they are. I'm getting tongue twisted, but a lot of people are very grateful for this opportunity because it has allowed them to make fast money that they've been having to use immediately. Now, the money that you get here is a direct deposit into your account within 10 minutes, and it is immediately available to spend. And so what I'm actually going to do, because I want to make sure this is professional, is I'm going to go through a small presentation. I'm going to skip all the stuff that I talk about in the end. We all know why we're here. We're here to check out an opportunity to get a free money deposit in our bank account tonight. And then I'm going to show you how you can get continual deposits, how you can get up to 4 and 5 deposits today. I'm going to show most of you tonight will probably bank an extra $500 or $600. Most of you tonight will probably bank an extra $500 or $600. Any couple that you know that meets this 2 criteria: number 1, they're 18 years or older; number 2, they have a bank account; and number 3, they have a direct deposit. Both of them do. If they have all 3 of those criteria, they will be able to get $725, and you will be able to bless them with that. And also, by you blessing them with that, you're going to get money as well. So this bank is giving out a lot of money. So let me know who is ready for me to go into a presentation and show you exactly how to do this. If you give me 20 minutes, or not even 20 minutes, give me 10 minutes of your time, just 10 minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you how to make free money. So how many people got 10 minutes? If you got 10 minutes, just comment 10 minutes in the chat or put it in the comments. Who has 10 minutes? Give me 10 minutes and I'm going to change your life, and I'm going to help change the lives of those around you, because you're going to turn people's phones into a free ATM. So give me 10 minutes. So comment below if you got 10 minutes. Maurice got 10 minutes. Maurice, I swear, this is going to be the best 10 minutes of your life, bro. So for those of you who got 10 minutes, I'm not going to wait on everyone else to comment. I am going to dive right in. So pay close attention to my screen. What you're going to see is just absolutely phenomenal, and it's going to help you. So I'm going to explain everything for those of you who are first timers, and for those of you who have never seen what we're about to show. And so let me just kind of see, put a 1 if you've never seen anything about SoFi Bank. Put a 1 if you have never seen anything about SoFi Bank. So if you never heard about the SoFi Bank deposit program, put a 1. If you've never heard about this program, just put a 1. Just put a 1 if you've never seen this before. Put a 1. I don't know how many people who have never seen this before. And if you've never seen this, this is going to be like gold. Trust me, it's going to be like gold. So put a 1 if you've never seen this before, and we're going to kick this thing off and dive in. All right, awesome, Maurice. Appreciate this. So let me present and show you guys exactly what this is and what this is about. And I'm going to show you how each couple, and trust me, me as an influencer, I do my due diligence, my research. When I first saw this program and it was introduced to me, I lost my mind. So we're going to dive right in, and give me a second to switch my screen here. Okay, awesome. And you guys should be able to see my screen. So if you can see my screen, let me know. Can everyone see my screen here? Perfect. Everyone can see my screen. This is awesome. Okay. So what I'm going to present to you is a 0 risk opportunity. Your worst case scenario is that you get $25 as fast as 10 minutes from now without spending a dime. That's right. No risk, just reward. How many people would be offended if they made $25 in the next 10 minutes and it was in your account ready to spend? Who would be offended by that? Would anyone be offended if I showed you how to do that? So if you're not offended by this, continue to watch. Now, you might be asking me, do I have to buy anything? No, you don't have to buy anything. Do I have to sell anything? No, you don't have to sell anything. Do I need to invest in anything? No, you don't have to invest in anything. Is this legit? This is 100% legit. Yes, it is. What is this? This is an account referral program. What is the company? Well, it's called SoFi Bank. Now, how many people have heard of SoFi Bank? Anyone heard of it? Well, maybe you have not heard of SoFi Bank, but you might have heard recently of SoFi Stadium. This is the home stadium of the Los Angeles Rams and the Los Angeles Chargers. And anytime you're dealing with a company that has their name on the stadium, you know that you're dealing with something that is a big deal. So you've heard of SoFi Stadium. but also SoFi has an actual bank. Now, SoFi literally started in 2011. They have 73 billion in funded loans. They have over 6.9 million members, and they have over 34 billion in paid debts by members. And literally, they were the first company in the United States to refinance federal and private loans simultaneously. That's awesome. And if you're wondering about, is this bank the real deal? Is it great? You can look up their reviews. They have the best rates of savings and checking accounts in the entire country. So they're the real deal. So why are we even talking about them giving us free money? Well, it's not like people don't make free money from bank offers. And with SoFi, if you're wondering, they are technologically advanced. So they do have an app you can download like every bank, and you do get a real debit card. And this is a real bank account. Now, why would you even consider doing this, right? And it's something that you don't have to go to the bank. You can do this on your phone within 5 minutes. But let's talk about this process and why you may want to bank with SoFi in addition to what you're already banking with. So you guys have seen these offers before. All banks do this, right? When you open up a new account, they will have what's called a bonus deposit offer. And Bank of America had one. Like when you deposit money in a new checking account and you have a qualifying direct deposit, they'll give you a $300 deposit in your bank, right? I've seen this throughout the summer. Wells Fargo had one. Literally, in this one ended on June 27, 2023. But if you open up a checking account, put 25 bucks in there, and you completed a direct deposit, they would give you a $300 checking bonus. So we're all familiar with this, right? Chase, the same thing. They got a $500 bonus. But here's what banks do. What they do is awesome. You'll have to wait for your direct deposit to hit in order to get paid, right? We've seen this a million times. So the problem with this is that it's not quick. It's a process, right? And what's a qualifying requirement? You have to have a direct deposit go through there. And requiring a direct deposit setup can take weeks to get your bonus money. And this is generally the only incentive that they offer. And there's no money for referrals. So if you were to tell your wife, hey, honey, look, don't open up an account at Wells Fargo and transfer your direct deposit there. I just did mine. I got 300 bucks. You could do yours and you'll get 300 bucks. Well, guess what? By you telling your wife, the bank gives you nothing. They'll spend millions and millions of dollars to advertise this incentive to gain new customers. Banks do this all. They'll give away money to get your business in their banks. But here is where SoFi differs. SoFi believes in not pumping advertising dollars into marketing, into commercials. They say, wait a minute. We would like to give that money that we would put into commercials, the multi-millions of dollars we put into ad, we want to give that to our members. We don't want to give it to commercials. We want our members to make money when they introduce new members to SoFi. So we're going to set up a way for people to do that. And that's what differs SoFi from every other bank. Now, they came out with the SoFi referral program. So I'm going to tell you how this works. It's very easy. Many of you are going to get money within the next 10 to 20 minutes. There's no purchase required. There's no direct deposit required to get paid. And you get an immediate payout. Within 10 minutes, you'll have money in your account that is spendable that you can use. Now, what are the requirements to do this? Number one, you must have a heartbeat. You got to be alive, right? You can't be someone that's dead to do this. But you need to be 18 years or older, and you must have a bank account, and you must be approved for a new bank account. Now, only people who are not approved for a new bank account, you can't complete this because you need to become a SoFi member. So what are we going to do, and what are the steps to do this? Well, I like to call this, I gave this name. I call it the Money in Minutes program, sponsored by SoFi Bank, and they are an FDIC insured bank. So 3 simple steps. If you got a phone, I got a phone here, you can download the app, you can create a free account, and literally within a few minutes, you could actually be approved for a bank account on your phone within 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you how you can receive a direct deposit within 10 minutes from now. Most people think I'm playing. It's 10 minutes from now, you can receive direct deposit. And then I'm going to go and show you how to make $75 per couple in free money. But let me just get through the first part first. Now, what SoFi has done is when you open up a qualifying account, all right, you get a checking account, you can do it through your phone, and there's a referral link. The referral link that I have posted at the bottom of this, it is coded. What does coded mean, man? What does that mean? Well, it's literally coded so that when you use that link, you will be able to get a bonus money deposit from SoFi Bank. So there's a referral link at the bottom, and I do have some directions if you want to follow it. You can click that and you can start the process now. Because generally, when I make this presentation, before the video has ended, I get a comment saying, whoa, I got my money already. So that's how fast it happens, right? So you literally would download the SoFi app using your phone or your browser. You can set up a new SoFi checking and savings account, and you need to fund it and receive a welcome money deposit from SoFi Bank. So literally what the terms are is once you get approved for your bank account, okay, all you have to do literally is if you have $50, all you're going to do literally is you're going to fund it with $50. You must transfer $50 to your SoFi account, and that will fund your new SoFi account. You'll have money in there. Now, people say, I thought you said it was free. Okay, let me address that. When you put money in your bank account, are you spending it? You have a bank account that you put money in. You're not spending the $50. You're just moving it from your left pocket to your right pocket. That's it. But let me tell you how you can get the money in minutes. Now, there are going to be two options for you to do this, right? So I'm going to explore those two options, but I'm going to tell you which one is going to be the faster. If you have a bank, like a Bank of America or Wells Fargo, and you have a bank debit card, not a Cash App card, not a Green Dot card, but a bank debit card, and you use your bank debit card to transfer $50 into your new approved SoFi checking account, which has no fees, which has no overdraft fees, which they even give you money just for logging in. You transfer your money over there, and that money is immediately spendable. The minute you do that, let me tell you what's going to happen. Some of you guys are doing this right now. You're getting your card out, and you've already got approved for your SoFi bank account because it just takes minutes to do that. And you've completed the process, and this is a real bank account, and you transfer your money over to SoFi Bank, just $50. Then what's going to happen is you're going to see this. You're going to see a welcome money bonus of $25. Now, they're going to deposit $25 of free money into your account. This bonus deposit will appear in as little as 10 minutes. So let me make sure we're clear here. And I want to make sure you guys are interacting so I know that we're clear. So are we spending any money? No, we move $50 via bank debit card from our regular bank, who is paying us nothing. That $50 is sitting in your account doing nothing but getting lent out, because as you know, a bank lends over 90 cents of every dollar you have to make money off your money. So your money is being lent out to people during loans, and you're not getting nothing for it. So you got your $50 sitting in your bank of just dead money. Or you can just take that $50, transfer it to your SoFi bank account, and you instantly make $25. You made 50% on your money just transferring it. Now you transfer money back and forth every day from your wife's account to this account to that account. You make nothing. Today is going to be different. You're going to make $25 just by doing this. And this is their welcome money bonus. You make this without having to do a direct deposit, and you get it in 10 minutes. And if you want to, you can take that $50 and transfer it back and just kind of play with the 25. Now you playing with house money. Anytime you playing with house money, then you have no risk. And this is legit. This has happened. I'm going to show you some testimonials. We have people going crazy over this. This literally happens very quickly. So we all on the same page? Put a 1 if we understand. Put a 1 if we understand. We're on the same page. We're not spending any money. We went through the process. We opened up an account with SoFi, which is a real legitimate bank, and there's no account fees, there's no overdraft fees, and your money is immediately spendable, and they're going to give you $25 instantly. All right, so we understand that. All right, we're cool. All right, because when I first did this, Like I was like, I wonder, okay, let me see how this works, right? And when I did and I got 25, I was like, oh, I did nothing. That's free $25. I'm like in this bank already. Now, you're going to come to two options. So most people make this big mistake, and this is where your $25 will be delayed. There are two ways you can move money from your bank account to your new SoFi bank account. The first way is you can transfer, and it says link a bank and add up to 5,000. You can add $50 this way, but it will take 1 to 3 business days when you do a bank-to-bank transfer. So if you do that, your $25 will not be there instantly because your $50 will be pending because it has to make its way from your bank to their bank. That can take up to 3 to 5 business days, and your $25 may come within that 7 to 10 day window. We don't want that. We want it immediately, right? So the second option, or the first option, is not what you want to do. You want to use a bank debit card once you get approved, and you will have to be approved for a bank account. And so again, I have some people that didn't get approved. You must be approved for a bank account. But if you do that and you transfer $50 using a bank debit card, that's the way you want to go, then all your deposits will be instant because they're not just going to give you $25. They're going to give you a whole lot more. We're talking 10 grand here. Well, how do we get that? Well, let me not put the cart before the horse. Let's go through this slowly. Now, the minute you receive your $25, your SoFi affiliate referral link will be activated. On your phone, it says get 75 when you refer a friend. So if you use your link and you refer a friend, they do what you just did, they're going to get 25 and simultaneously they're going to pay you $75. Whoa. So if you referred one friend tonight, you made $100. You got 150 in your account, 50 of it's yours, 100 of it is yours from SoFi Bank that you made instantly. So you might be thinking of 2 people right now. I know 2 people. Well, you would send them this link. They would open up a SoFi savings and checking account through their phone. They would transfer $50 and they both would receive 25. And if they did that, you would receive 75 per person. That's $150. And all you did was tell people how to get free money. I don't know if anything on this earth is easier to make money. If it is, let me know. I know people take pictures of their feet and sell them, but you still got to sell it. But we're not selling anything here. It's a win-win. What's the worst thing a person's going to do? Oh man, I got $25. They can't complain. And when they get to 25, you get the 75. That is crazy. Yeah, if Chime, I don't know if Chime is a bank account. Chime may not count. I would suggest it be like a banking institution, but Chime may or may not work. I'm not sure. It could work as long as you have an account. So if Chime is a bank account, a legitimate bank account that has this FDIC, it's good. It has to come from bank to bank, and it cannot be a business bank account because this is a personal account that you want to open. But when you do this, you're going to see 75 hit your account for every referral. Now, how fast does it hit your account? That's usually in 10 minutes. I've gotten my first time doing this when I first did it, and I have to show it to you when I got serious about it. Literally, I made $475 that night. It was crazy. That night, I was like, oh my goodness, I got to just really get this out there. Now, I can't even tell you, I'll tell you really what I've done here. It's been crazy. But we're going to go over how literally this is going to be $10,000 per person in your household that you can get. So I'll show you how to do that. So everyone get this. We open up a checking account. We transfer 50. We get 25. We get a referral link. Anyone that uses that referral link to open up an account, when they transfer 50, they get 25, you get 75. Very easy. Now, let's kind of go here and go more. Now, how can a couple get an instant deposit of $125 in their account immediately? Pay close attention. I'm going to show you this in a graphic way. Let's say the husband, let's say Maurice McCall. Maurice says, you know what, man? I ain't wasting no time. I want my free 25. So Maurice decides that he wants to use my link and Maurice decides, hey, I'm going to transfer that $50. And when he does that, within 10 minutes, Maurice is going to see he got $25. He can be like, boy, this thing is for real, for real. Maurice has a wife. She's sitting beside him. She's like, oh, how you get a 25? Oh, I just transferred 50. That's how I got it. Shoot. Well, your wife going to say, well, send me a link, honey. So he's going to use his referral link to invite a friend. His friend going to be his wife, and, friends and lovers. Either way, you're going to invite your friends and family or wife. She's going to do the same thing you just did. Okay, let me just transfer 50, baby, using your link. So she can go and she's going to transfer $50, and watch this. You got to watch this now. It happens fast. She get 25 and Maurice got 75. Now, if my math is mathing correctly, as a couple, they just made $125. What could you do with the $125? Can't you take your wife out to wherever you want to go? Baby, we got $125. We ain't do nothing but just transfer money back and forth. We got $125. What you want to do? Right? You want to go to the gas station and fill up? You want to go get some dinner? I mean, dinner's on Sofi. I mean, what you want to do? What you want to do? And you're going to ask your wife where you want to eat. And we all know this. When you ask your wife where you want to go to eat, what's she going to say? I don't know. But either way, you got $125 and you don't know. So, hey, you got a lot of options, right? Now, let's talk about the $725 deposit per couple. Now, the $125 will be instant. And SoFi does do this. If you do a direct deposit here, you will get your direct deposit 4 days faster. And yeah, you do have to wait for that part, but still, who cares? You got $125 while you wait. So if the husband decides, hey, let me move my bonus or let me move my second job or my first job, let me move my direct deposit to SoFi. So again, you already got an account and referral bonus between you and your wife. That's $125, right? So I'm gonna make sure my math is math, and that's $125. The husband says, you know what? I'm gonna do a direct deposit. He does his direct deposit, and SoFi is gonna give him another $300. And the wife says, okay, hey, let's do Simon Says. We making money. Why stop at $125? The wife transfers her direct deposit SoFi, and together, husband and wife, y'all got $725 to play with. What could you do with $725, Maurice? What could you do with that? A lot of situations change. So let me just kind of get down to the skinny. After you've done that, you and the wife got $725. They don't stop there, because now you have a link. The wife can refer, the husband can refer. And if you refer 10 people tonight, you would get $750 tonight if you referred 10 people. Now, Maurice, if you did direct depositing as a couple, you already got $725. Imagine $750 for referring 10 more people or referring couples. Either way, if you refer 10 people, you get $75 per referral. Those 10 people make $25, you make $75. That's $750. If you did 10 people within the time of this video, by the time it ended, you would literally have $750. Grandma, open up a SoFi account. Okay, baby, I'll do it. Grandma got 25, you got 75. Aunt Susie, hey, when you come from bingo, give me a call. Aunt Susie comes from bingo, she opened up a SoFi account, you walk her through it, she get 25, you got another 75. But man, most of y'all gonna have 150 tonight. Refer 50 people, that's $3,750. Refer 134 people, that's $10,050. Now, SoFi cannot pay you more than $10,000 in a calendar year. Once you do that, you max that account out. You have to wait 12 calendar months in order to refer again. This is why you want to make sure that you have multiple accounts open. So let me give you my example here. I have opened an account for myself, for my wife, and for my sister, and I am rotating them, right? I'm rotating the referral links. So this way, my wife gets some money, I get some money, and my sister gets some money. So far, I have 105 referrals, and I've rotated them between accounts. Some accounts got I think mine got 1,800. My wife has a little bit more, but literally, I've been rotating the accounts, and I don't think I have her password, but my wife, she done changed her password because she out there probably spending the money. So I got 105 referrals, and literally between these three accounts at 105 referrals, I have literally $7,875, and my wife has most of the accounts because I kept her referral link up longer than mine, and then my sister has some, and then I think I got 1,800. So I gotta put some more in my account. So I'm gonna refer using my link. But literally, if you're a person that can refer, rotate the accounts. I wouldn't say keep one account and just fill it up. I would say rotate the accounts. If you have a wife and let's say it's you, your wife, and your son, right? Rotate the accounts, right? Let them get 5, or maybe let your wife get 50 and you get 10 or whatever. Let the wife get most of the money, because when they got money, they tell more people. So now my wife is referring on her own. So literally, I'm moving my account, and if she's a little slow, that's okay. I can move it back. So literally, you can earn $10,000 per account just referring people. Now, Sofi has other ways to earn money, right? If you invest, if you tell a person to invest 25 in Sofi investments, then they get 25, you get 75. If a person does a student loan refinance, Sofi will give you $1,000 when they close on that loan refinance. If a person does a personal loan, they'll get 300, you'll get 300. If a person does a private student loan, you earn up to $500, and this is direct deposit as soon as they qualify. If a person does a credit card, you'll get $100 for each friend you refer. And obviously, I just explained the checking and savings account. So they're going to pay you anytime someone goes through any one of your links. So if you know someone that's about to refinance a student loan, tell them to go through Sofi. Remember, they're not paying commercials. They're paying you. They would much rather pay you. It's a good deal for them. It's a good deal for you. You've never had the opportunity to get free money from a bank, and they'll do it. So awesome. Many people that work for the bank, you're like, man, shoot, I work for the bank. I might as well refer for this bank too. So really good opportunity. Now, I want to show you some deposits that people have received. So again, this is a person that had a great referral. I had a person that did $1,000 in one day, $1,000 in one day, just referring people, $1,000 in one day. As you see, I think they were paying 100 back then. They do 75, but they were paying 100. And look how many people referred. This is December of this year. Then I had the person who showed me, I said, man, let me see what you got going on. He showed me all these $75 deposits. I'm like, whoa, dude, 100, 75, 100. I'm sitting here like, man, I need to get up on this thing. So literally, there's a person who referred me, and this is what I'm looking at. What you're looking at is what he showed me, and I'm sitting here going crazy over it. I'm like, man, I had to record this with my phone because I didn't believe in myself. I'm sitting there recording my phone while he's flipping through it. So that was him referring. So then my good buddy Javon, he came on here, and I did a live a little while ago, and he came on. He says, thanks for the info, my brother. The live last night got me hyped, so I got right on it. It's only the beginning. I have a few more people who should be opening new accounts. Javon made $100 that night doing what you're doing. You're watching, he's doing what he's doing, right? $100 that same night. Also, on my live, now I don't know where everybody at now. They probably just referring, but on my live, I did a live the other day, same presentation. I said, who got their money? 10 said I received mine. My man Michael said, praise God, I just made $75 on my first referral. My man Charles said I did it wrong and I still got mine. I don't know how he did it wrong. My man CY said I received a message earlier from someone who was able to pay off his car note. That's crazy, paying off car notes. Then I had people that say, bruh, literally I got my 25 yesterday. My wife is going to get in with her debit card, arrives from my local bank. Matthew said I made $400 already. Melvin speaking the truth. Sorry for the off-tie. I think he was going to ask something else, but made $400 already. Reggie said I made another 75 sitting in my office. Javon again commented and said on Tuesday, I've made $300 just by sharing information. Thanks, Melvin. And then literally my homegirl Whitney said the hype is real on my last live. She said, I've been making money all day. This is making money in your sleep, literally. And I got more text messages again. That was Javon saying thanks for 150. My man Chauncey said I got the 25. This guy said, Melvin, I follow what you said, made over $400 in 2 hours. And then there's another person that says, Melvin, thank you for putting this out there. The holidays had me tapped out. A lot of y'all have been tapped out for the holidays. Think about it. You went shopping for Christmas and you spent all that money put on a credit card, and the first of the year gets here, and the first of the year is also the first of the month. Now rent due. So yeah, you can get tapped out real easy. Homeboy made $300 that came in handy, right? So literally create your free account today. I got links below that you can do this. Now, for those of you who are skeptical, right, and you think, oh, this ain't real, I don't know how and where you think this ain't real, but for those of you who are skeptical, I am going to address the skepticism right now so we can make sure that you guys are not costing yourselves money. If you believe, and I don't know how you would believe this unless you're just completely crazy. If you believe that this is a scam, this is not real, you're scamming yourself out of free money. Don't scam yourself. So I want to do something here. I ain't never did this, but I'm gonna do it on this video. Here's an envelope. Not gonna share the whole envelope, but here's an envelope right here. What's in this envelope, man? What's in this envelope? I'm gonna show you. Well, my wife's name is Sabrina, and she got a Sofi debit card. This blue so it might not show up good, so she got a Sofi debit card right here. I'm on a green screen, so it's probably not showing great. But let me remove this green screen and show you guys. Let me remove my background because I love to do backgrounds on green screens, as you guys know how to do. So I'm gonna just go into my pure form here. So let me just remove this background and show you guys. Where am I at? Okay. There we go. This is my real background. So let me just show y'all guys, this is real. So real, huh? Yep. Yeah, it's a scam, huh? So my wife got her real debit card, okay? And she can spend, and then you even get a virtual debit card. So I'm going to show you the inside of my Sofi account. So my wife, I did her account first and started referring for her first, and then I signed up under my wife. Let me show y'all something else. And I don't know who this person is scamming this now. This stuff right here is, I need to get rid of this stuff. So somebody on my Facebook is actually commenting this crypto crap. So let me get rid of this person here and block them. All these crypto scammers come on here. It's hard enough to let me address this stuff. I got some on my Facebook wall that people are just kind of putting on here. So I want to make sure I delete these people and block them permanently. Sorry about that, y'all. Let me block this person here. This person is I tell you, these crypto people are crazy. So anyway, let me get back to what I was doing here. So you guys kind of see what the deal is on this. This is the real deal. So let me pull my green screen back up here, and I'll open up the second one for you guys. And let me do this here. So here's the second one. So y'all saw my wife's card. And yeah, you will get a physical debit card in the mail. Melvin, here's your card. Y'all see that? Real bank, real debit card. So all this is absolutely real. And I've been referring on my wife's account because I want my wife to make money. And I'm going to show you something. What's so great about this bank is because of the referrals, literally I bank here, but I'm going to show you what I've done on this one account in referrals. And I've been rotating the links between three of them. So literally, as you see, $1,825 in the Sofi account. And I want to show you something. Somebody just completed just now. Look. Somebody just completed this process just now. Let me see if I can show y'all this. Y'all see this? Somebody did this just now. So somebody that just did this, you got 25, I got 75, right? And you can do the same thing. So as you see, look at all these referrals. This is real. All these referrals. Just boom, 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 boom. All these referrals. Easy money. Now, I only put in $50. I only put in $50. So on this account, I'm going to show you what I got on this account because I want to be very transparent. So you can even review your referral status. You can review your referral status on this. I'm just trying to be transparent with this account. So how many did I refer? By referring 24 people, that's $1,800. And this is on this account. That's on this account. That's between me, my wife, and my sister. I got 24 on this account. So that's just this account. And again, I've been rotating my wife's link. So if you see my wife's link or whatever, you see Sabrina, don't be like, I know a lot of y'all question me like, oh my God, Melvin, this ain't your name. It's my, you're either going to see Sabrina, Melvin, or India. So I am literally going to refer all my accounts. And I got my parents on here, and you may see their account. My dad is going crazy. He don't put this thing on the radio. So literally, you can make up to 10 grand per account. Now, I also have something special that I want to show you. Let me get off this green screen. Let's go back to this other screen here. So I got something else I do want to show you guys. When you come in here, I'm going to help each and every one of you who sign up. I'm going to help you guys make 10 grand, okay? 10 grand. Let me show you this, all right? This is what I put together for you because I want you guys to make money, right? I want you guys to make money. And literally, this is not and I know you're going to ask a question. Is this multi-level marketing? No. It's a one-level referral. Banks cannot do multi-level marketing because that goes against their policies and procedures. They only can do one level. Now, I don't make anything when you refer. So literally, even though I don't make anything when you refer, I'm going to help you anyway because I want you guys to make money. Even though I don't make a dime. If you go out and refer 10 people, if you go out and refer 100 people today, I don't make a dime off them. I make money off you getting your 25. But because I want to literally help you guys max this out, and I want you guys to have 10 grand in your account, I have put something together that's going to help you guys do this. So let me share with you what I have put together. Give me 1 second. And I have a private group here that on Facebook that you can be a part of. And I sent an email out for those of you, and this is what I have for you. Let me move this over here. Oops, I didn't mean to move that. Let me move that back here. There we go. There we go. Okay, I want you guys to see this. I have made for you flyers, and these are editable flyers. You can edit these. So if you click here, let me move this banner out the way. So if you click on this, this is in my Facebook group, and there's a link for it. The link is actually below in the description. So if you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, I got a link to get started, and I got the link to these flyers in the description so you can make money. $100 per hour is no expense necessary. Work from home, nothing to buy or sell. So you can put your website there, you can put your number there, whatever you want to put there, or your link. And if you click on the create flyer, you can go through here and you can get edit template. You can create a free Canva account, and you can go through and you can edit this flyer and make this yours. You can make this yours. I got plenty of flyers I'm putting up. So you can do that, make that flyer yours, and you now have a flyer that you can pass out to people to call you or whatever. Here's another one, right? Different themes. And you guys know I'm into marketing. So it says receive a $325 bonus deposit when you download an app and create a new account website here. So you can get these flyers, put your number, put your website, put your affiliate link, and hand this out to people so that you can actually attract as many family and friends as possible to you to complete this offer. So I got more flyers I'm making. I got a ton of them. So I will have this site available for you. Right now, we got 2 flyers to start off with that you can actually use. And that link is below. So this is literally what I'm doing to help you guys. I will make some flyers you can use and literally help you market this because I want you guys to make 10 grand. And then after that, I'll show you how to, later on down the line, once I have helped you make 10 grand, then literally, I'll show you how to make residual income. So the whole plan is in 2024, I'm gonna make this promise to you. In 2024, anyone that follows me, and I don't really care if you have experience in making money online. I've made millions of dollars online. And I know people are like, oh, I don't even know who this cat is. Who is this cat talking about? He made millions of dollars, blah, blah, blah. Well, go check my resume, go through my YouTube channels. You'll see things. So I've been doing this. I've been online since 2011. Go check. And I work for myself. I'm a business owner. I own a chain of restaurants. With or without online opportunities, I still make money. I do this because I know that people don't have $325,000 to buy a restaurant franchise from me, right? And I know people can't partner with me in real estate because it costs money. So I wanted a way to work and help people that is affordable. And that's why I got into affiliate marketing and online marketing, because it's affordable. And then when I started to get into it, I now developed a system. I've developed a system that literally I'm going to write a book out and get a patent on this system. I will tell you what the name of that system is. This system that I developed will ensure that no human being that follows this philosophy, it's a philosophy now. The system that I put together will ensure that no human that follows this system will ever want for money again, because I show you how to turn your debt into income. So literally, that's been my passion. I want to show people how to take their debt and turn it into income, because right now, you guys are paying $700 more per month for the same groceries, for the same services that you did 2 years ago. Your monthly expenses has increased by $700 because of inflation. And my goal is to help you guys get easy money that doesn't require you to change what you're doing. It literally requires you to change the platform and how you're doing it, right? So I got programs that are coming, or that I'm going to introduce, that will help you literally make money from the things that you buy every day. If you drink coffee every day, that's an expense. If you put gas in your car every day, that's an expense. If you go to Walmart, that's an expense. I'm going to show you how to do the things you're already doing, but turn them into profit. How would you like to spend $30 at Walmart and make 30? How would you like to pump gas and make money? How would you like to still buy your coffee but get paid to do it? How would you like to feed your dog and get paid to do it? So it's called Profit Lifestyle Efficiency, and I'm going to be teaching that, but I'm not going to go there yet, because in order for me to go there, I need to know that I've gotten you money in your bank account. So the people that I've already helped that have made $1,500 already, and they might not have made that if they didn't see this video. People that made $300 in one night. I am more happy to see you guys making money than anything else. So that's why I love this program, because everybody, regardless of education, regardless of race, regardless of experience, and like I said, one guy screwed this up and still made $300-400. This is what I like. I want to see you guys succeed. And I have a history of doing this. As you guys know, some of you may not know me, I train entrepreneurs how to make money online, but I've kind of curtailed the type of people that I want to be involved with. Me, I've always been involved with business people, and I've always been able to collaborate with business people who are already experienced and go on to do great things. I'm going to still do that, but I'm more focused on taking an average individual who just says, man, it got to be a better way, and showing you guys that better way. And without you having to change too much of what you do, without you having to sell, without you having to, beg and borrow, I want to have a program that is going to be you giving a gift to others, right? You got a neighbor just blew some money, right? They need money. So we're going to help people get money in their pockets. And then once they get money in their pockets, we're going to show them how to turn the money that they're getting, because Sofi is great. It's beautiful. But after you make 10 grand, or you can make it 10 grand, what if I showed you how to make that 10 grand in Sofi? And then what if I showed you how to make an extra $2,500 a month in residual income from the same people that made 10 grand? And literally, we have a program that can lead to other programs where nobody spends any money, but everybody has residual income. This is how you take control of personal finances. This is how you teach wealth in your home. This is how you get people who are average everyday workers. This is how you get people to be in a position to where they cannot be financially disabled because of an economy. They cannot be financially disabled because their job chose to shut down. They cannot be financially disabled because of outside factors that they can control. Everyone should be financially successful, not because you're going to be millionaires. You can be millionaires if you want to. But when I say financially successful, I mean not struggling. I mean, your car could break down tomorrow. Check engine light could come on. Surprise, 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 surprise. And you don't have to go and be like, oh my God, I got to go fix my car. You would have the money to do it and still the money to take care of everything else. That is what we're talking about financial success. Nobody should be a check engine light away from going to bankruptcy. And a lot of us are. A lot of us are. A lot of us are a bad tire, a check engine light away, a medical accident away from just spiraling out of control financially. We ain't doing that in 2024. 2024 is about you getting more. And that's what I'm here to do. So I'm going to be on here more often to make sure you get your more because you deserve it. You work hard. And even though people can't be business owners, I will teach you more about business than anything you'll ever see in your life because literally I'm a business owner and I'll show you how to take advantage of a tax system that is built for business owners. Most people don't know how to get that deep yet, but I'll show you how you can get Uncle Sam to reimburse you for your car. I'll show you how you can get Uncle Sam to reimburse you for your meals. I'll show you how you can have tax deductions and not pay taxes, but get checks from Uncle Sam. So it's all about understanding the financial system that you're in so you can take advantage of it and pass this knowledge down to your children, their children's children, and we break generational curses of people being broke and living on welfare. That's what we're doing. So enough of me ranting. Sometimes I get to ranting because I got a vision. I'm on my way. Thanks. Yes, sir. Breezy. Take it easy. Man, that's my main man, Breezy. All right, Maurice. And look, if you need any information, you got me as well, too. So let me just open this up for any questions. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We just reviewed how to get free money, and it costs you nothing to get it. We just showed every couple that's watching how to get $725 per couple. I know this video went into an hour. My 10 minutes kind of turned in a little too long, but hey, within that 10 minutes I was talking to you, you got some valuable information, didn't you? So yeah, we're going to have a whole lot of things going on now. Also, below or in this link, I have two links. Number one, first link is for you to sign up for SoFi Bank, get your free money. I want to make sure you get your free money. The second link is for you to enter into our Facebook group, and I just opened it so there's nobody in there. And from there, I will be giving you materials and I will be giving you flyers and I will be able to help you get the, get this out there. But everybody can get free money. I need your link, Mr. McCall. I got you covered. Let me send you a link. Let me see if Facebook will let me do this thing here. And Mr. McCall, if you're watching on Facebook, above should be a little description. And let me just kind of show you where it's at. I want to make sure you get the proper link. Now, again, from 10 minutes to 2 hours is when it comes in. And so you should see that 25. I want to make sure you get the 25, right? And so let me go to where you can get the info at. So, Mr. McCall, I'm trying to confuse you visually, but I want to go where my video is broadcasting at, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually grab the link and how you can actually get started. So I'm going to go to my screen here. Then, Mr. McCall, you're probably watching this video right here, right? And I got your comment up on here. I need your link. So you're watching this video right here. If you scroll above, Mr. McCall, there's a link that says get free money every day in 2024, SoFi Bank. If you click that link above, it takes you to this right here. And then you can go through here, watch the video, get access now, follow the steps, and it will show you exactly how to get your money in minutes. So click that link and it will show you exactly how to do it. And then right here is to join my Facebook group. Now, if you're on YouTube and you're watching the same video on YouTube, okay, I'm broadcasting on YouTube as well. Give me 1 second here. Let me find out. Let me go to my YouTube channel. If you're on my YouTube and you're watching the same video, and I'm probably live on YouTube. Let me see. I am live on YouTube. Oh, it's commercial on there. It's commercial on my live video. I got to earn money from that too. So if you're on YouTube here, and I'm just telling you how real time I'm at, you scroll down below the YouTube video, there's my link right here. And then there's a link to join the Facebook group. So I got it right here as well. So there it is right there below. And if you are late getting here, please watch this video back because it's literally going to be crucial to you getting free money. If you're late, watch this free video back. Please watch this video back because it's definitely worth it. I can guarantee you that there's nothing that's going to be more worth your time than watching this video. Where did I go here? Did I get too much? Okay, there I go. There I go. So guys, if you got here late, um, you're good. So if you got here late, you can watch this video back, which is kind of an hour long, or you can watch the condensed version on my website. It tells you everything I just reviewed here today. So I want to make sure everyone can find the link. So you guys got it. And if you need it, you're good. And Javon said he came in late. Let me pull up the comments here. I need to watch the replay. Just getting on. Awesome. Yeah, watch the replay. Or you can visit the link. The link is going to be the fastest version, but you can watch the replay as well, because I'm actually being very thorough in this replay. I mean, didn't watch the replay, just getting on. Maurice, yep. And Javon, this is my main man. Javon, been killing it, man. Been killing it. So this is my main man, Javon Stevenson. He actually made like $300. So he's driving trucks. He drives trucks. He has his own trucking business. Made $300 on the road. So this is awesome. All right, you guys know where the link is at. Awesome. You guys got it. What's going on, Keandra Sanford? Keandra, you're gonna love this. This is easy money. Like, you ain't selling anything. So when you watch this back, you're gonna be like, oh, but you may want to watch this part, because some people think it's too good to be true. It is true, and it is good, and it is actually a great way to kick off your 2024. So we're 16 days into the new year. I would love to see people have an extra $500-$600, or have an extra $1,500, or even have an extra whatever I got in my account. I don't know. What is this? And literally, folks, I'm going to tell you how fast this came. Okay, I'm going to tell you how fast this came. I want to show you how fast it got here. So I want to show you. Can I take a journey here? Can I pull this up so I can show a lot of people? And again, I'm working with 3 accounts. My wife has, I think she got nearly $4,000 in her account. I mean, I was literally referring her account like crazy. So, that's my baby. So I told my wife I'm gonna give her $10,000, and I've been working on her account and my sister's account as well. I got my parents doing this as well. But I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna log into my Sofi. So I want to show you guys how real this is. And you may have some people that are doubters. And if they're doubters and have them watch, again, like I said, this is a real bank. This is a real opportunity, and you could really miss it if you play around. So I do not want you guys to play around. I want you guys to take this seriously. A bank, one of the largest banks in the United States, is giving away free money. I just showed you how to grab it. If you have a husband, wife, or partner, I just showed you how to get a $725 per couple in free money that's spendable, immediately spendable, and it's money deposited into your account that you own. And you can literally get paid every single day from this. So you'll see when I rotate my account, because as you guys know, I can pack people in stuff really fast. So I am going to screen share this. Okay. So give me 1 second. Let me screen share this. And you do a screen share. Okay. Now keep in mind, I started with my wife's account, but I'm going to just be completely transparent. And do I need to make this bigger, or can you guys see? You guys can probably see. Okay, let me make this bigger so you guys can see. Because this is for all the doubters or people that say, oh, this ain't real, man. Okay, let me show you guys something. All right, you see this 120 points right here? Every time you log in, they give you a penny for logging in. That's like, you log in every day, that's $1.20 just by logging in. Is your bank paying you to log in? Nope. So every time you log in, they pay you. Now, I got my wife started earlier, and I signed up on her link later. And literally, I'm not the first person signed up. I was the third. I think I signed her mom up. Again, I'm taking care of my wife first, because that's my baby. I want to make sure she's getting money first. But I'm taking care of my wife and my sister and my parents. But literally, I want to show you guys something. Okay. On 12/31, I used my wife's link and I deposited $50. That's all the money I put in. Okay. I got my money welcome bonus the same day. Okay. And then I literally went on to refer my father. Okay. I referred my father. That was $75. Then I referred my sister. That was $75. And then I started referring people I knew. And the next thing you know, I want you to look at this balance. Only $50 of this is mine. Only $50 of this is my original money, right? And I didn't spend it. I just moved it to this account. All I did was go and share my link and look at the balance. It went from $50 all the way up here, all the way up here, and to whoever came on today, $1,875 that I didn't have to work for. I got $1,825 I didn't work for. That's crazy. And literally all you have to do is go to your link, copy this, and you copy this link, you send this to anyone, and anyone that uses link to open up a SoFi account and transfers $50, they're going to get 25, you're going to get 75, and you can make up to 10 grand. You can see the official rules here. They tell you all about it. They tell you all the products you can refer. They tell you how easy this is. They tell you everything. So again, very easy to do, extremely easy to do. And I'm going to help you guys do it. So I got a Facebook group that's going to help you guys on, kind of do all this. And I do have systems. If you're into systems, if you're not, no problem. You can still do it without. I got to use systems because I'm going through too many referrals. So literally everyone that does this, everyone that uses my link to sign up, my goal literally is to help you get 10 grand in your account. And again, you're not spending any money. And I'm going to tell you what you're going to run into. People are going to think this is not real. If they do think it's not real, show them this video. I don't know how in the hell they don't believe this, because this video literally has all the proof in it. Show them the video that's here on this Facebook. Give them your link first, and then show them the video, and then let them sign up under you. And they're going to get 25. You're going to get 75. And I don't know how many people you can do tonight. I mean, you could do, I don't know, start with your family. Start with your family. Start with people that you know. And I'm going to tell you what to do, folks. You got to be like I did. You got to go to, I went to my first trip was to my dad's house. And I literally just grabbed his phone and showed him and said, Dad, I'm going to make you $25 tonight. He was like, oh, okay, cool. So I grabbed his phone. I got his driver's license and I went through the process. I did it for my father, and my father saw $25 appear. He saw his $50 being moved. He was like, whoa, what you doing? Then he saw $25. He said, thank you for the extra $25. I said, Dad, I didn't put that there. And he said, whoa. So then my dad said, hold, I'm going to do your mom. So go take your mom. I took my dad's phone and I took my mom's phone. I did the same thing. And my father watched me make him $100 in 20 minutes. And after that, he's been sold. And from this point on, my father has told everyone. He has told the nations. My father's up to $3,500. He's going berserk. He can't be stopped. He don't need the money, but he loves making money. Like, this is easy money. So that's literally what I would say do with your family, is be personable with them. Let them know this is real. And for your friends that, think this is a scam, it's not a scam, it's real. But they're scamming themselves if they think this is a scam, because banks do this all the time. So literally just be upfront with your friends, show them flyers, say, listen, this bank is giving away $25. And as a matter of fact, let me show you what your referral link look like. Can I show you what your referral link look like? Even the SoFi referral link looks really good. So I'm going to show you what their referral link looks like. Let me go to SoFiBank.com. I'm going to show you what the referral links look like. So when you do the referral link, let me log back in really quick. Okay, cool. So when you go out and you do the referral link, let me change my screen over here. So when you send someone your referral link, right, you're going to go right here. You're going to send a referral link, right? So you're going to go to your Get 75. That's your referral link. And you can do this, either phone and download the app too. And I'm going to show you something else. So you copy the link. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to put it up here. The referral link even tells him, it has your name. It'll say, Kiana wants you to get $325 and pay no account fees. And they can scroll down here. So this is literally what your referral page would look like. And so they go through the process. They open up an account. They transfer a direct deposit over there. They're going to get $325 if they did a direct deposit. And they open this account up with $50 using a bank debit card. So literally go through my site, follow directions, and literally you're going to page like this. And once you got this page, you can refer. And once you get your $25, which will be instantly, you'll get that in 10 minutes to 2 hours, then you're good to go. Now, also, I want to show you guys one more thing before I get out of here. What's really cool about this, as I go through my phone, is when you open up the SoFi app, right? So you got the SoFi app. Let me tell you what's cool about this. You literally can go in here and your debit card will be ready. So as you see, I got my debit card here, it's kind of blocking it out, but let me go through my wallet. You literally will have money that is spendable immediately. So what does that mean? So I want you to see something. You see, I have my SoFi card on my Google Pay. So let's say, for instance, you go out here and you go haywire. You refer 10 people tonight, right? You got $750 a night. You go and you move your SoFi card, virtual card to your wallet while your physical card is on its way. You could spend that $750 tonight if you wanted to. You could spend it tonight if you wanted to. So, folks, they got things that they call a no-brainer. This is not even a no-brainer. This is just take action. And again, this is a no-brainer, or no harder, or no seer. This is everything. Just go right in, click the link, and get started. It's nothing to think about. Like, I heard one person that said, I got to think about it. I said, if you got to think about $100 in your bank account to spendable, then I think you got to think about life. So those people I don't waste time with, because there's nothing to think about. Literally, you see the presentation, it's not think about it, and people that say I got to think about it. Well, when your cable bill is due, you're gonna think about it then. When your car note is due, you're gonna think about how much money you missed. And I got a story to share with you guys. I got a crazy story. So let me tell you this crazy story. I took pictures. So I'm gonna tell you how fast this goes. And this is a warning. Don't be like Steve. Don't be like, say, everybody repeat, don't be like Steve. I'm gonna tell you what Steve did. Don't be like Steve. Y'all repeat, don't be like Steve. Don't be like Steve. Say don't be like Steve. Okay, let me share the story with Steve and I'm gonna address this. So Ben Ra, I got you, bro. I'm gonna send it to you. As a matter of fact, it's above the video, but I'll inbox everyone that needs the link as well too. So you should see it on this video, but I will send you a link. But everybody repeat, don't be like Steve. Let me tell you what Steve did. Okay. My friend named Steve, I drove to his house. Okay. And I know Steve, he's a friend of mine. He's personable. I said, Steve, I have got to show you this. I said, bro, look, this bank, SoFi Bank, owns SoFi Stadium, blah, blah, blah. I said, they have a account referral program. And I said, if you were to transfer $50 and open up a new bank account within 5 minutes, they're going to give you $25. You move your direct deposit, they're going to give you $325. I said, would you be offended if I made you $325 without you investing any money? He said, no, I would love this. When he got through the process, he was telling his wife what he was doing. His wife said, that don't sound right. That don't sound right. Ain't no bank doing that. That don't sound right. Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. That don't sound right. They're going to take your money. They're going to take your money. And I said, Steve, with all due respect, I said, this is real. And I said, look, I'm gonna let you have a conversation with your wife. And, wife pulled him in the back. He said, wait right here, man. I'll be back out. He said, well, man, look, yeah, the wife tripping and stuff. And I said, I told the wife, I said, man, look, you both work. You can have $725 tonight. And I said, your entire neighborhood is going to go to the community center. And I said, Steve, what I'm going to do for you, bro, is I'm going to make some flyers. I'm going to put your link on it. And everybody that goes to that community center, everyone that goes to that community center will see that flyer. They'll scan it. And I'll get you $4,000 today. I said, I'll do the flyers for you. I said, go and sign up and you and your wife can have it. And the wife says, man, never mind. Ain't nobody going to do that because Steve don't know how to explain anything and nobody's going to sign up off no flyer. Okay. Watch this, y'all. I'm gonna show you what Steve did. Steve said, you know what, she right. Ain't nobody gonna believe it. So I took pictures and hopefully I got them. I took pictures. Okay. So that's a community center, y'all. Y'all see this flyer? Steve sent this to me in my text message. There's a community center. Okay. I had 30 people sign up off the flyer at the community center, and let's multiply 30 times 75. That was $2,225 that Steve could have had. And I took my wife's phone, because at the time that's going to her account, and I said, Steve, this $2,225 should have been yours. And I said, you mind if I should speak to your wife? I showed his wife, I said, this is the money that you scammed yourself out of. By thinking that people are not going to click on the flyer, I had 60 flyers all over his neighborhood. And all Steve could do was like, after that, he signed up, his wife signed up, and I said, now, do you want me to go to your church or are you going to take your church? He said, bro, print me those flyers. Long and short, Steve got 10 signups, but he could have had 30. Don't be like Steve, because the opportunity that you don't take is something that somebody else will make. Don't hesitate. Don't think that people are going to think this ain't real or whatever. Your job is to give people an opportunity to decide, because you're going to mess around and you're going to like, I ain't telling Betty. And guess what? Somebody you done referred and told Betty and then it made money. So look, you got territory. Don't let nobody come in your backyard and do what I did to Steve, because Steve was slow. But hey, a confused mind will always, exactly. Don't be like Steve. Don't be like Steve. Don't be like Steve. It's gonna cost you money to be like Steve. Don't be like Steve. So again, a lot of times when you got to look at the factors. And a lot of times, and maybe I shouldn't be, this is just me, I'm just talking here. I get offended when someone says that anything that I promote is a scam. And the reason why I get offended is because generally the people that make that statement, they don't understand something. I got more to lose by attaching my name to a scam than they ever do. I own restaurants. I'm actually on the board of several community places. I'm involved in some legislation in my local city. I'm involved in a lot of stuff. And I have a lot of corporate partners that I supply for. My corporate partners, I'm a corporate partner with FedEx. FedEx actually I got a contract with them. I got a contract with Altria. I got another contract with Walmart. I got another contract with Target. I got contracts with corporate partners. Let me repeat this. I got contracts with corporate partners. I got another contract with Oak Street Medical, a huge medical facility. I got contracts with people. Okay, we're talking millions and millions of dollars of contracts. So I have to make sure that my public image is not tainted. That would cost me millions of dollars. So do you think I would do something so stupid without researching it, where I would cost myself my partnerships with these corporate commercial clients? You got to be crazy. I'm doing nothing to risk those contracts. So when I present something, just know that my butt is on the line and I'm going to do my due diligence, because the first thing I'm going to do, anything that I am sent, anything that I look at, if you go through my history, anything that I look at, yeah, companies go out of business. That's cool. But I send it to my attorney. And my attorney says, okay, cool. Or my attorney says, nope, too much risk. I let my attorney evaluate this, and he's a business attorney, and he looks at that stuff and he says, nope, this ain't good, or nope, hey, this is fraud. So he does the due diligence. He does that so that I can maintain the corporate partnerships. So if it's coming from me, I have paid someone thousands of dollars to go through the legitimacies and the legalities and to scrub it, because I have too much to lose. Most of you that are watching, you don't have corporate partnerships to lose, right? We're talking about my livelihood. So that's why I get a little bit, maybe I shouldn't be, a little bit tight when someone says, am I promoting something that's a scam? Hell no. And on top of that, I got a YouTube channel. I got a couple of YouTube channels that pay me to broadcast. I got commercial partners on my YouTube channel. Like you've probably seen a commercial on my YouTube channel right now. YouTube would kick me off the platform. Again, I got a Facebook monetized channel. I got a TikTok it would kick me off the platform. So I will not put anything that looks kind of crazy out there. And so if anything, I got too much to lose by not doing my due diligence. So trust me, if I put something out there, Melvin Crawley has done his research over and over and over again and has paid somebody to go behind me just in case I missed the I or just in case somebody didn't dot a T. I want to make sure it's there because I got too much to lose to promote something that's going to mess up my livelihood. So I want to make sure that you guys understand when I bring something to you guys, the research has been done. That's why nothing against crypto, nothing against crypto. I'm not doing anything crypto. Sorry, just can't do it because it's just risky business. So it either has to be a product that's been good, has to be a service that's been good and vetted, or it can be something like Sofi Bank, which is an FDI assured lender and a huge bank that has a reputation that's good. So whenever you hear from me, just know I ain't doing nothing to risk anything that I worked my entire life to get. So yeah, that's that. Excuse my little rant. But I just want y'all to know that that's the seriousness that I take when I look at anything, right? So your confused mind will always be closed. I mean, I said in the long run, it sure will, bro. It sure will. Right, Melvin? You put your name on anything, and that's a scam. you will not have much. Exactly. I have too much to lose. So that's kind of where I'm coming from. So, folks, for those of you that want links to it as well, it is above this video on Facebook. I will make sure I go back. If you can't find it, I'll make sure I go back and send you guys links. But check this out. Now, I'm going to be honest. You do have to qualify. So if you got some shady stuff that you didn't deal with a bank a long time ago, you owe money, you might not qualify. So just be aware of that. But if you've been in good standings or whatever, you go through this, you qualify, they give you a bank account. And initially, sometimes if there's like a person that has the same name as you, give it like 24 hours or whatever. Sometimes they have to clear things up. And then once you do that, then you can qualify. So again, very easy to do. It's free money. It doesn't cost you anything. Go out here, make as much as you want. Get into my group. I'm going to give you flyers and we're going to exhaust this thing out. And again, in 2024, you deserve more. I'm going to make sure you get it. So it's going to be a fun 2024. I'm having fun. My parents were sick half the year in 2023. This was not a good year for me in 2023. I spent most of the time worried about my parents. And now that they're doing better, I can now get back to working with you, the people, and we can all as a community advance forward and take advantage of amazing opportunities and help a lot of people. That's what it's all about for me. So I love the fact that you guys are making money. There's nothing to make, and that's why I haven't moved on to nothing else, because I see you guys making the money, right? You're making the money. So I want to make sure that you're making the money. I want to make sure that your neighbor's making the money. I want to make sure that your daughter's making the money, your husband's making the money, your wife's making the money. So we're going to stay on this and we're going to exhaust this thing. And then we're going to be rocking and rolling to future endeavors. And then guess what? 12 months will be over quick. We're going to get back on Sofi and make another. So we should be getting 10 grand a year as long as this bank has this program. That's going to be a program, 10 grand a year. We're going to get everybody in this thing. We ain't going to stop until the whole earth has Sofi. Well, really until the whole United States has Sofi, because it's only a U.S. opportunity. And then from there on, we'll move on to other endeavors and we'll make some money. So this year, I'm going to put some money in people's pockets. I don't know who it's going to be, but this year, I'm going to have 25 people make their first $100,000. I don't know who that's going to be. I had a prayer with God and I had a vision that 25 people made $100,000. I just don't know who it's going to be, but I know it's going to be somebody watching this video because I wanted 25 people to make $100,000. I want $250,000 of these rich companies' monies to go into your pocket. This is what affiliate is about. This is what it's all about. These companies make billions of dollars, and you should be using companies' monies to fund what you want to do. Don't use your money, use a company's money. And that's why we have this right here. So I don't know where y'all gonna be, but 25 of y'all gonna make 100 grand this year. 25 of y'all. I believe it, I receive it. Amen to that. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is about an hour and a half. I made it too long. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I made it too long. But y'all know how I am. I'm passionate about making you make that money because I'm already there, and I want to help get you guys there. I mean, hell, I hope you guys make more money than I do. So let's rock and roll. So 2024 is about getting your more. 2024 is about getting your more. 2024 is about getting your more. I want to ingrain that. When you wake up tomorrow, I want you to repeat this. I want you to say 2024 is about getting my more in Jesus' name. Because God can give it to you. You just got to receive it. So that's it, folks. I am good to preaching up here. Take advantage of the opportunity. I will be on here tomorrow. If you got some people that are interested, let me know. I will do a full presentation with them, and I will talk to them for you. So if you got people that are skeptical, let me know. Inbox me. I will be doing a presentation live. They can jump on this. Give them your link. I'll do the presentation. You make all the money. It's gonna be like church, right? It's gonna be like church, so it's gonna be different, right? I'm gonna preach, and you gonna get the offering. That's all. That's how we're gonna do it. So I will do all the explaining. You make the money. I'm okay with that. Just invite people on. Let me explain it to them and let you make as much money as possible. And I'll keep doing this until y'all make so much money you sick of me. Hey man, somebody said it. So let me just put you up here. So absolutely, 2024 is about getting more. There we go. I receive it. Yes, amen. Maurice got it. I received good information. Amen. All right, folks. Hey, we run an hour and 30 minutes. So appreciate you guys being on Facebook and YouTube. And God bless you guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.